Dempo Sports Club on Saturday added one more I-League Championship trophy to their most impressive trophy cabinet in Indian football. The champions brushed aside Prayag United by a 3-0 margin in Kolkata in the final round of the league. Dempo were assured of the title in their previous match after a goalless draw against East Bengal. As such, Saturday's match was an academic affair that brought another glittering season for Dempo to a conclusion. Dempo have now won an Indian record 5 league titles.
Kato. Nicely played on to Peter Carvalho. Lovely ball through to Ranty Martins. Surely this will be a goal for Dempo. He's hit it wide. Denson Devdas now finds Mama on the left for Prayag. What can they make of this Prayag United? They've had opportunities, but this one too will go a begging. Clifford Miranda now. Once again, good cross from Clifford Miranda. Surely this will be the first goal of the match. And Ranty Martins with his 32nd goal of the season. What a wonderful strike from the 25-year-old who was born on the 5th of September 1986. Anthony Pereira on the wide for Dempo. Lovely move again. Kato missed that ball. How? Rao. Trying to play in Josimar was Rao. Lakshmikant Kattimani didn't come. Fell here for Josimar. Ranty Martins plays it to Climax Lawrence. Asuke Kato looking to play in Climax. It might fall favorably for Climax. Surely this will be 2. And he won't get an easier finish than that, will Climax Lawrence this season. Laid on a platter for him, really. Tudamjoy Chandra Singh it will be to take the corner. Opts for a variation. Shukhen De will whip it into the box. Oh, it fell nicely here, and the shot that time was saved quite gratefully by Lakshmikant Kattimani. Oh, that's Armando Colasso there, the coach of Dempo, who will have his hands on that trophy come the end of this match. Awful lack of communication at the back. What was Abhijit Mondal trying to do at the back there, the Prayag United goalkeeper? An embarrassing, even ignominious end to proceedings for Prayag United Sporting, you'd have to reckon from here. As Kokos Sakibo surely now seals all 3 points for Dempo from this fixture. And that will be that. At the Juba Bharati Kridangan in Kolkata, Dempo have now sealed the title officially and formally. Somewhat muted celebrations because they already knew that they would lift the crown. Armando Colasso not even off his bench there. Will slowly rise now. Kokos Sakibo came on and provided the final flourish because Armando Colasso's tactics have been absolutely spot on. And he has credited this win to excellent man management team. The Juba Bharati Kridangan has been the staging ground of so many dramatic contests, so many epic victories, such joy and such despair seen there. Today it will be joy on the faces of all the Dempo players.
Bimbles are rich in vitamin C and control obesity. Bimbles are widely used in traditional Goan cuisine. Bimble squash also acts as an appetizer. Bimble Sharbat is a refreshing drink and a healthy drink during summer. Watch our special series on summer, Beat the Heat with Avinash Joshi.
हे आसा बिमलाचे झाड. ही बिमला खूप आंबट असतात. तेका लागून ह्या बिमलांचे लोणचे करतात, गोड लोणचे करतात. त्याच्या उपरांत सुंगटांचे हुमणाकय ते रूच हाडटा. तुम्ही केन्ना बिमलांचे सरबत करून पळयला? ते खूप हेल्दी असता. लेट्स बीट द हीट इन अ डिफरंट वे. मी पळोवया बिमलांचे स्कॉश.
ही बिमला उकडून घेतला आणि ती आता स्मॅश करता. स्क्वॉश पिकलो जाता तो मेजप वाटेन किंवा पेल्यान. उदक सगळं टाकून थंड केलेलं ते टिकतालें. डबल उदक घेतला ताचे डबल साखर. 2 वाटी झालेली, 2.25 वाटी. 4.5 वाटी साखर. एक फुले फ्लेवर असते टीस्पून घालायला जाता. एक फ्लेवर टीस्पून घालायचं.
सायट्रिक्स प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह. हे कितले दीस उरतात?
हे महिनोभर उरता. अशी सगळी साखर विरघळली, सायट्रिक ॲसिड विरघळले म्हणलं की
आता रेडी झालं.
तयार रेडी झालं.
बिमलाचो स्क्वॉश रेडी. हाव खूपच बरो. तुमच्या घराकडे जर बिमला आसात जाल्यार तुम्ही ट्राय करून पळोवपाक हरकत ना.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.